So I'm out here and getting bitten by a mosquito at the same time. Here we go, yeah. But anyway, so this is what I wanted to do a short video on is, again, it's so nice foresty, but right on the side over here is a bunch of houses. You can see the little fence. You can kind of see, see. And the leaf blowers, you know. Just wanted to do a quick update and say, yep, they still exist. And it's about 5 p.m. on a Thursday. So again, it's oh, you people who stay at home, blah, blah, blah. Oh, you're so sensitive to this. It's 5 p.m. Everyone's home by now. Some people want to go outside and, oh, it's such a nice day, except for the mosquito, right? And you're listening to this horse shit. Or you want to come out here and, good Lord. How is this appropriate? It's called a rake or a fucking broom. It's coming from this house over here. You know? Like, fuck this. You know? Fuck. It's so ridiculous, you know? You know, and you can hear this for the next 800 feet that way. Even if you turned around, you'd still hear it for another 600 if I turned around when I started listening to this. And again, for what? For the purpose of, ooh, my, you know, these are very tiny little lots here, right? It's kind of shrouded in woodsiness here. I mean, we're talking, you know, 1,000 square foot lot back here, or the yard is 1,000 square feet. So we can blow the dust around there. Unfucking believable. I mean, it is believable because it's all the time, right? But here we are. And again, I heard it with noise canceling earbuds in, right? So ridiculous. And then, you know, they go to the next house, and then, okay, they're done in 10 minutes. But again, next house, and then the one after that. And hey, it's 5:30, everyone's trying to eat dinner, but hey, it's okay. Because, you know, you have a right to blow 3 leaves off your 1,000 square foot yard or 500 square foot backyard. It's so obnoxious. Fucking assholes. So anyways, that's it for now. And yeah, all right, so it is just barely after, what do you call it? Midnight here. Not like 11. Let's investigate. Look at fucking carpet cleaning in here. Look at that. Can you at least close the door, guy? So it's not. You know, I was actually carpet cleaning today, over the last few days. I've been, you know, carpet cleaning the house. This is also one reason I want to get rid of the carpet this year, is it's just so awful. Today I was doing the stairs, and you have these machines. It's like a vacuum cleaner, but super heavy. Like, it's my own. It's one of those household ones, right? But even with that, you can't do that on there, so you have to hold it, and it's the worst. So hopefully this year we'll get rid of the carpet. I don't know what to replace it with, because the flooring in the kitchen that we got, yeah, that has issues. I'm sure I'll do something about it, but yeah, that's it for now. So that's noise for today. The park noise at the forest, and then the 11 p.m. noise of just randomly carpet cleaning a restaurant at 11 p.m. I'm glad I don't live over here now, right? It's ridiculous. Anyways, that's it for now.